10 life upgrades that cost $0. Number 1. Save every password in one place. Forget having to remember all your passwords or keeping them all in an unsecured Word document somewhere. There are plenty of password manager apps like LastPass, Dashlane, Keeper, or Bitwarden. Most of the password managers work the same. They are a Chrome extension that saves you the hassle of manually saving passwords, and it works its magic in the background while you get on with life. Number 2. Print a monthly calendar. As tasks or invites come in, place them into the calendar. Give each family member their own color so it doesn't get too confusing. The night before, check the calendar and pack accordingly. That way you avoid running around in the morning looking for missing hockey socks or arranging lists for water polo practice. Number 3. Follow the 1-minute rule. The 1-minute rule is a game changer. Following this simple rule and you're about to improve your life. The premise is this: if a task can be done in a minute or less, then don't delay. Do it immediately. Imagine how many 1-minute tasks you can get done if you give yourself 15 minutes after your dinner to do a couple. Everything from cleaning up the washing powder spill in the cupboard to gluing your hopes and dreams back together, or simply wiping down the counter after you cook. When you do it straight away, it doesn't go into your subconscious, ever-screaming to-do list that causes stress and anxiety. Following this rule doesn't make your day busier, it simply makes you feel more in control. And this is really good for people who are prone to anxiety attacks and panic attacks, because it gives you a sense that you are controlling your life and that you are doing things and things are not doing stuff to you. Number 4, grab a screwdriver and fix all loose screws. They're the type of problem that we're aware of all the time, but we never get around to fixing. So pencil in an hour and go and tighten all those items up. Number 5, meal plan. There's nothing like reaching for the delivery app when you have a hard day, but that's not good for your health or your bank balance. Instead, plug your quick fix food needs with some simple meal planning. Plan a weekly shop with healthier and more affordable snack items, work lunches, and then 2 meals you can batch book and freeze in easy to reheat portions. That way, next time you are too tired or rushed to cook, you have something healthy, hearty, and homemade that won't touch your bank balance. Number 6, know which expenses go off when. It can be stressful trying to remember that your mobile phone contract gets debited on the 3rd of each month, the rent needs to be paid on the 1st, the school fees on the 10th, insurance on the 4th. Create a list of the exact date and amount each debit order comes off and from which account, so you always know that you have enough to cover the cost without bouncing. Having it in black and white takes away the equation from swirling stressfully inside your head and makes the money monster much more manageable. Number 7, get rid of notifications. Give notifications the door. Why do you need to know everything with a ping of your phone anyway? Do you really need your messages to pop up on your screen or ping and pop at all? Start to improve your life by stopping notifications from invading every minute of your day. Very quickly, you will realize how little you really needed to know the minute someone commented on your Instagram and how annoying it was when your emails popped up on your screen as soon as they arrived. This small upgrade costs nothing but would do your sanity the world of good. Number 8, set alarms on your phone for positive habits. Some notifications are worth having, those that help you add positive habits you want to develop. Drinking more water, getting up from your desk, and stretching or taking your vitamins are all worth it to improve your life. Setting a specific time for super focused studying. Soon, you won't need the reminder So be sure to cancel the alarm after that. Number 9, give everything a place. When everything has a specific place in your home, car, or bag, then you won't spend precious minutes looking for them. Life's too short to spend your life looking for your gym shorts, your car keys, or even your laptop charger. Go through each cupboard in your house over time and assign everything a place. Just using butter or ice cream tubs is an eco-friendly way of creating compartments for items. Use a marker for labels if you need help remembering what goes where. And if you find you don't have enough place, then you have too much stuff. And you can improve your life by downgrading the amount of clutter you have. Or you could, try the whole movement called minimalism. Once you start sorting and giving everything a home, you'll be surprised at how much you have that you don't use, and it'll be easier to get rid of things. You don't want to be a hoarder. Number 10, unclutter your phone. Many people have hundreds of apps that they have downloaded and still have on their phone that they haven't even used in years. Sometimes it is good to spend a slow Sunday to just go through your collection of apps and see which apps you haven't even opened up in more than a month. If it's been more than a month, it is time to just delete it. It frees up space and can save you money on data, especially depending on what kind of plan you have or where you actually got your phone. Feel free to watch more top 10 lists to help master your money and your life. Check out 14bucks.com, and you can also learn how to master your money below. You'll eventually get to learn how to follow a very simple and easy to follow along plan that anyone can follow along to, regardless of income, to where you can start mastering your money. Because you want your money to work for you and you not to work for your money. Like, you got to change the way you look at money, and you got to change the way you interact with money, because a lot of people have a very unhealthy relationship when it comes to money. And you got to understand this. Money is simply a tool. Money is simply a tool so that you can do what you want to do when you want to do it. Money is a tool in the sense that it allows you to do what you need to do in cases of emergencies, right? Money is a way for someone to really take care and have freedom unlike anyone else. Because here's the thing. Once you reach a certain amount of income in relation to what you owe, which for the most part, if you get out of debt, it doesn't really matter how much money you have, you get to a certain situation where you have a lot more freedom than many other people in the world, regardless if they make more money than you. So just keep that in mind. Personal finance is personal, but having a very good, strong control of your money can really help you out.